New at 5, human trafficking is a $150 billion a year global industry. That's according to the International Labor Organization. It's an issue impacting families around the world, but especially here in southeastern Wisconsin. Now a proposed federal law could help reduce the problem. Lauren Linder has the story.
I don't want to say I've had my head in the sand for years, but for a long time I never thought that this was a major issue in southeast Wisconsin or Kenosha.
It's a reality. Human trafficking is running rampant in the greater Milwaukee region, impacting girls as young as 13 and women as old as 62. On the local level, law enforcement and advocacy groups are working hard to fight the issue. But Wisconsin Congressman Brian Stile feels more can be done at the federal level.
We need to be going after the money.
He's proposing a bill known as the Exposing the Financing of Human Trafficking Act to prevent traffickers from making profits off their victims.
Hold countries accountable that turn a blind eye towards the illicit financing that is human trafficking.
Specifically, countries applying for foreign aid from the U.S. would have to submit a report that describes the work they're doing to combat the illicit financing of human trafficking by investigating, preventing, and prosecuting financial criminal activities related to trafficking.
These reports are going to tell us who's doing the best job and who has work to do.
Carrie Hemmig, founder of the nonprofit Fight to End Exploitation, says this could lead to a trickle-down effect in our area.
We could, reduce the amount of victims being brought into this country from other countries.
But most importantly, she feels it would start a greater conversation about what's happening behind closed doors.
Really talking about it, making people aware of it, is absolutely the #1 way to fight it.
In Racine County, Lauren Linder, today's TMJ4.
And the bill is receiving bipartisan support, so Stile remains hopeful it will pass and get signed into law before the end of the current session.